So, like I was saying, because I had to take the dogs to the vet again, it has just been, last month was crazy. Um, so it was really rough. And then I don't like doing this. My husband did this last year. You know, men don't listen, and they automatically took something out of our account. And when we had asked them, or my husband asked them the same day to cancel, and they already took out the money that same day. So that was another big issue, because I had already spent money on the vet again for my dogs to get some flea meds, and I got the one that lasts 3 months, so it's more expensive. So I had a hard time shopping for Thanksgiving after I invited my brother. It was just really, really crazy. Just a crazy month. And then after we did all the sprayed the floors and some of the furniture and washed all the sheets and clothes, everything was great. My dogs were great. And then 2 weeks later, they started scratching again. So I think the exterminators come on Wednesday, so I'm going to have to call in to put in a request for them to come here next Wednesday. And if a flea bites them, they'll die. But the flea still has to bite them first, so of course that aggravates them. So it's just been frustrating. So yeah, I mean, we got our money back, or supposedly. I'm not sure what the bank is doing, but we got the money back in the account, and the bank sent us a letter. I don't know. It's just another headache that I hope goes away in a few days. Just crazy last month. That's why last week I did not do a video. Just being sick and having to do the flea treating, and then having to clean my house for Thanksgiving. I probably only did like an 80 to 90% job on cleaning. And then so I was just exhausted on Monday or Tuesday, because Monday I had to get oil for the car. The engine light came on, so we got oil for the car, and just that's why I'm not doing my video until today. And then you have the new products that are out. The Physicians Formula just is aggravating us, because it's been announced since October, and we couldn't find it anywhere. And they kept saying in stores only, and then CVS's website, another headache, saying that it's not in stores yet, and then it says it's in certain stores, and you go to those stores and they don't have it. And then Women said it's still saying not in stores. I don't know what state they live in, but they found the Physicians Formula Rose palette, which I'm not sure whose palette it's a dupe of. Finally, this last week, like I said, some states got it in or put it out already. I think one of the explanations they gave me is that maybe they weren't allowed. First they said it's supposed to come out in November, then they said December, and then the CVS was saying that if they said December, then maybe they're not allowed to put it out until December. But I don't know. I'm not sure if it was, I think, Monday was December 1st or the 2nd, and I went to check out some stores. I had to go to Sugarland, but nothing yet. Checked my own local store, nothing yet. So let's see that with what's happening with that. But finally, Physicians Formula announced that they're coming out. As you saw in the picture, they're coming out with some sort of rose powders, rose balms, rose lipsticks, the eyeshadow and mascara, the eyeshadow palette. So I really would like to get my hands on that. I love rose stuff. So yeah, they also got like a gold palette to match their 24 karat gold skincare. So yeah, and then you already CVS had their Christmas stuff up, but it's their Wet n Wild Christmas stuff up, but it looks like stuff that they just, honestly, I think Wet n Wild just the stuff they're trying to get rid of already. I think they just put them all in a gift set and ship them to the stores. I showed you a picture of Walgreens gift sets. Pretty much it was stuff on the website, and then again stuff like they're trying, I think, to get rid of. Most stores are already starting to put stuff on clearance. So I guess new stuff's coming. I know that when a while hyped up this surprise that they never told us what it was, but I think we all think, on Instagram, us ladies believe that it's probably skincare. Which they had at Walmart already. So, let's see what's new for the new year, because already you will start seeing stuff that's supposed to come out for the new year before the end of this year. So let's see what the lineup is for 2020. I don't know if that palette is for 2020 or if it's just for the holidays, but oh my God, some of us women, we were talking on Instagram going crazy trying to find that palette. At first it was supposed to be CVS, but you can't get it on the website, in stores only, and then they announced you can get it anywhere. But see, it has been spotted already at CVS in some other states, not here. So yeah, so I think that's basically what's new and what was happening with me. And because of the dogs, I have some doctor appointments I need to do, and I rescheduled them all for January because, I got to take care of my babies. So, January I will see the doctors I need to see, the thyroid doctor, because all the weight that used to go into my belly, it's finding skin hanging to go into. So you got my chin and my thighs had skin hanging. I told you before, they look like scrotums, and that's all filling up with fat now since most of my belly is gone. Even though I've been addicted to bread. I don't know why. I know my psychiatrist said that it was due to stress. So I haven't been losing anyway, but I haven't really been gaining either, so that's good. I know I've gained about, 15 pounds since the surgery, and I'm kind of like stagnant right there. So that's all that. I gotta, I had enough refills for my heart, my high blood pressure pill, so I rescheduled to January. I haven't been able to go to therapy because I was sick, and again, spent the money on my babies for their vet bill, so rescheduled that for January, and my cardiologist for January. Oh my goodness, then you have my nieces and nephews, their birthdays, because I don't skip birthdays just because they're in December. I hate when people do that. That's really awful. Just because there's a December birthday doesn't mean you skip it and just do a Christmas present. That's crazy. So I get them birthday presents, I get them Christmas presents. I'm still not finished doing that. So hectic, stressful. But, other than that, I'm just, just trying to recover from my everything, my cold, the cleaning, the flea stuff. I know next Wednesday is probably going to have to do everything all over again so that they can come and treat the place. So just life has been so stressful this past month, but at the same time, because you're sick, I was just trying to recuperate. I'm still trying to take that time out to recuperate. So I don't foresee any problems because I canceled all appointments. So hopefully I will see you guys next week if there are no more issues. All right. Love you all. Mwah.